Hi all, I have just updated the structure and bonding dot and cross diagram questions. I now have tri, quad and penta atomic molecules. So things like NH3, so ammonia, CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O, water, and methane, a couple of others in there as well. Hopefully that will provide you with more than enough practice. I'll show you now what I mean.
Okay, so when you're on the Bonding and Structure GCSE Chemistry quiz, you'll see here I've added a new functionality to dot and cross diagram picker. If you only wanted to practice covalent, you would leave the covalent button ticked. If you only wanted to practice ionic, you would only leave ionic ticked. But we just want to see what the new polyatomic covalent structure questions look like. You can see I've got 13 total covalent dot and cross diagram questions. You can see where I've been playing around with this, so I just reset that memory. And we've got sulfur dioxide, which is, well, we know it's covalent, so this is what it looks like here. We can add in some lone electrons for sulfur. We can add lone electrons in for oxygen. We can add shared area electrons here for sulfur and oxygen, and obviously we can check that. That's obviously wrong. So we then get told down here what our feedback is, and we can see that we've got a couple of options. So we've got hydrogen cyanide, which is this structure here. We've got a normal oxygen one there, carbon tetrachloride, which if we press the hint button gives us CCl4. So we've got a CCl4 structure here, and we can carry on again. So we can put our lone carbon electrons in if we want them, some lone chlorine electrons in if we want them, and we can put some carbon to chlorine electrons in and chlorine to carbon electrons in if we want to. Again, we can then just check answers on those. So that was question 4, and so on and so forth. I really hope that you find that useful. I'm planning on using it obviously in my classes. So if you found that useful, I'd love to get some feedback, which you can do here. You can let us know some feedback just here. So thank you very much, folks, and I hope the start of term has gone well.